Welcome again to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to tie a Gomesi, Ugandan Gomesi. So, actually, to tell you the truth, on a hot day, whether it is hot or not, it's good always to wear nothing that shows. But I'm doing this just for tutorial. There shouldn't be inside, should not be showing. It should just be your skin and the necklace. So now I'm going to, this is my small belt. Once again, Gomesi always has 2 buttons, like that. And this one here goes, you can tuck it in your bra, in there. Then going to fold this in, out, in, out. Yeah, press it there, and then you get your belt. Like that. Then you just adjust it. Yeah. And this one here, this should be in line with that. And then you just adjust it. Just adjust it. And then tuck this in. It doesn't hang. Then I will need my Gomesi belt now. Once again, the left side should be shorter than the right. So now, right over left, push your arm inside and pull. Yeah, tighten it and straighten before you, yeah, like that. Then left under, right, and pull. Can you see? Then you straighten. You straighten. Just stretch it. Can you see?
Actually, that's perfect. Yeah,
yeah.
That's probably the best I've seen. Yeah.
Then you make sure. Actually, you make sure this one is over.
Turn to the side.
This one here must be over. Actually, not under. You can always just pull it. Yeah. Adjust. It's just a matter of adjusting until you're happy with it. Until you're happy. Yeah? Make sure your belt is pushed in. You must not show. Now, there's another thing that you have to do. You need a safety pin, because if you leave this one like that, when you're moving about, maybe in a public place and all that, these can slowly, like, you can easily probably step on. Yeah. You just adjust it.
To drape at the side.
And I need a safety pin. If you have the one that has got the cover, safety pin, right in the corner there. Because, can you see? Right in the corner there. So that, it stays in. And also you can push it that way. Yeah? Just flatten the front, adjust it until you feel comfortable. But the main thing is learning to tie this. Yeah? A lot of women struggle. I struggle. I didn't know how to tie it until somebody taught me. I learned it from somewhere. So I thought I should, let other ladies also learn how to tie a Gomesi. So, how do I look?
You look good.
Yeah. So this is the final product. I hope you've been able to follow along. Please be sure to check the website for more pictures. I hope you have a wonderful day wherever you are in the world. Leave me a comment. Do you know how to tie a Gomesi? Or have I taught you today? Please be sure to subscribe and turn your notification bell on. See you on the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Busu.
God bless you.